you gave J and did not get the score you wanted, this is probably the last chance to fix it. And if you are targeting 400 plus in VIT listen carefully, because this is exactly where most students fail. In JEE, the problem was not just about concept, it was also about time. You knew questions, but you could not finish the paper on time. Same mistake in VIT and you're going to run out of time again. And here is the truth, nobody is going to tell you. You cannot get 400 plus marks using long methods. It's literally impossible to finish paper that way, and that too with negative marking. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you're going to save time in VIT examination. The question right here is the most repeatable question from binomial theorem asked in VIT examination. It is asking about the middle term in the expansion of binomial theorem. We have a direct formula for that. If your n is even, you have to use this formula. If your n is odd, you have to use this formula. In our case, n is 12, which is an even number. And if you're going to use this formula, 12 by 2 plus 1, that is 7th term is going to be your middle term. Now, to calculate 7th term, you have to apply the general term formula for binomial theorem and eventually plug in the values. You will get your answer. But you can solve the same question in less than 10 seconds if you know this ninja technique. If middle term question is given and the power is even, all you have to do is find the coefficient and find the term. Coefficient formula is nc n by 2. So your n is 12, so answer will be 12c, 12 by 2, which is 6. To find the term, you have to multiply these two things and the power should be again 12 by 2. So if you multiply these two things, x root 5 upon 3 multiply minus 3 upon y root x. Whole power will be what? N by 2, 12 by 2, which is 6. On solving this, you are going to get x cube upon y power cube. So this is the coefficient, this is the term which is matching with option D. Now there is one more similar question which was asked in VIT 2022. You can solve this question using ninja technique and let me know your answer in the comment section. And now you know the power of ninja technique. You can easily save 30 seconds to 1 minute per question if you know the right shortcuts. And you know what? The best part is I have curated all the ninja techniques and put those ninja techniques in my crash course, wherein I have analyzed past 5 years, all the questions and included all possible categories which were asked in VIT examination. Can you see how detailed my sessions are? Matrices and determinant, a high weightage chapter, for example, I have identified the most repeatable topics and I have included 9 ninja techniques just for matrices and determinants. And you can see the most repeatable questions, topics are mentioned in the session. Same thing I have done for all the chapters. And if you want to enroll in my crash course, all you have to do is go in the link which is given in the description box and that will redirect you to, yes, so this is the link. You're going to click on the link which is given in the description box. It will land you to this particular page. If you scroll down, you will get this. What are you going to get in this crash course? You are going to get 5, it is not 5 by the way, 8 to 9 hours of high impact mathematics crash course, wherein I'll be discussing all chapters, calculus, algebra, coordinate geometry, etc., which were asked in past 5 years of VIT. Along with that, because logical reasoning and English are high scoring subjects, I want all of you to score full marks in it. So that's why a 2 hours of complimentary section I'll be giving it to you. Along with that, because you know VIT is all about speed and accuracy. So here are 5 full length mock tests I'll be providing you and additional question bank just in case you want to practice more. So all you have to do is click on the enroll now button and fill the details which are mentioned over here. Okay, by the way, the price of the crash course are going to get increased by tomorrow. In this price you won't be getting. So do it, make sure that if you want it, you do it now. Otherwise tomorrow it will get increased. Okay, one more thing. Make sure you enter that email which is your email and which is an accessible email. Because using this email only, you are going to access the course. Unfortunately, currently this course is not working on Apple devices. Keep that in mind before registering. See you in the course.